What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Today marks my 1 week of doing a keto diet. 7 days and my results so far. So in 1 week, I did lose some inches in my waist. I felt, I don't feel bloated as much. My energy has gone up a lot. I get up in the morning, I just get up. I don't have, usually I'd be, taking my time and just waking up and I don't feel like getting out of bed. Now I'm just, long clock up, I'm up. I'm just ready to go. So I've noticed an increase in energy. I noticed inches off my waist has gone. It's only been a week. My craving, my food, my hunger has died down a tremendous lot. Like I'm not hungry no more like I used to be. I can eat way less and it will last me 6-7 hours from eating again. So I noticed my appetite has gone down tremendously. I used to eat in the morning before my diet. I eat scrambled eggs, like 3 or 4 scrambled eggs, 3 pieces of bacon. I have like some potatoes with ketchup on it, and I have French toast with syrup. I used to have that in the mornings. Now I'm eating scrambled eggs with spinach and bacon. And one morning I had 3 double eggs and 2 hot dogs. So I've eaten way less. Like today I had this 1 fried chicken breast, that's it. And that's pretty much got me good right now. It probably lasts till dinner time. So my appetite has dropped down tremendously. I was the guy who got seconds, who got thirds. I got seconds. Then my wife cooked, I get seconds, I get more. But now I feel like I get full much quicker and I eat way less. So not only the inches have gone away from my waist, but increased energy, my appetite has dropped down tremendously. I get up in the morning, I sleep better at nighttime. I'm not up all night. Usually if I eat a lot of ice cream at night, I can't sleep because of the sugar. I can't sleep, so I'm eating ice cream. So I haven't had no sugar in a week, so I'm pretty much depleted of sugar, hopefully. And been feeling good. I like the diet. I have no craving for sugar. I'm looking up alcohol that you can drink. I know beer has carbs in it. I know some wines do, and I know that some liquors don't. Like Hennessy doesn't have no carbs in it. If that's true, I might drink some Hennessy. But I heard that since you have no carbs in your diet, the liquor will hit you much harder, and you should drink water while you're drinking. So on a keto, don't know for sure, but that's why I've been researching lately. So 1 week down, I like the diet. It makes me more conscious of what I eat. It makes me read the label. I went to Walmart and I want to make some keto pancakes. So I got the ingredients for it, and I was looking for some good syrup, some sugar-free syrup. And of course it had a few, like 1 or 2, but there was carbohydrates and sugar is in syrup. And I didn't know how much I was hurting myself. It makes it like, man, a lot of sugar, man, there's a lot of carbohydrates. The one I was gaining was way fast, and I wasn't working out as much neither. So burning that sugar and carbohydrates up. So Walmart has a sugar-free syrup, but it still had a lot of carbs and it had sugar alcohol in it. So I'm looking for on Amazon like a sugar-free, maybe 3-4 grams of sugar is fine for pancakes, keto pancakes. So it makes me more health conscious what I eat. Especially with bacon, because bacon might have a little bit of sugar, some added crab in there you didn't really need, but so far it's going really well. Do I miss sweets? Not really. I mean, I don't crave it like I was back then. Like how you crave sweets. Like somebody have a bunch of Dunkin' Donuts for everybody to eat. I'm not gonna crave one. I don't have no cravings at all. But I see how much damage sugars can do, because If you read these labels, what you've been drinking and eating, you'd be surprised how much sugar is in a can of soda. Like, I don't drink soda from the get-go, but all that sugar is not good for you. It's not. You know, I drink mostly water. I don't drink a Powerade Zero. I'm gonna look at some other drink that's sugar-free. But yeah, it's been a journey this last week, eating different things, looking different recipes up, finding different things that have carbs in it, different snacks. I did find some snacks that have carbs in it. It's been really helpful for me. And then trying to eat better. You know, my wife bought some bread, well, kind of like wheat wraps, long piece of wheat wraps. It only had 4 carbs in it, and it had no sugar, but it had some wheat flour in it as well. So I ate that last night. Only 4 carbs, you know. It's my only cheap thing I ate, but it's still not as bad. I've had no sugar, no sweets, no candy, no donuts, nothing sweet at all. Nothing sweet at all. I bought some peanut butter. I bought peanut butter with celery. Haven't ate that yet. But so far, the keto diet is going pretty well, and it made me more health conscious as well. How much sugar and all, especially with syrup. Syrup got a lot. It had 46 grams of sugar and like 35% carbohydrates. It's had a lot, and that's just syrup. Imagine you put a lot of syrup on it. That's one teaspoon, no tablespoon, and we put more than 1 tablespoon. So you pretty much double that. You probably have 86 grams of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. When you're younger, yeah. It's fine because you can burn that crap up. When you get older, you just have to watch what you eat. So this is my update video of the keto diet so far. I do feel a lot better. I have a lot more energy now, and I'm gonna continue to do it until I get my desired weight. One tip I want to say that it'll be good if you work out. Just do some cardio. Just go for a walk. Do a nice jog. Help burn up the sugar. Help burn up the carbs. And you know, when you have no sugar, you're gonna have to burn your fat. So if you're working out, you'll burn fat a little faster. And also, I've added coconut oil to my diet. So every time I eat something, some nighttime, that coconut oil do get a little bit of energy. Like for breakfast and lunch, I took coconut oil to help the fat burning a little bit faster. And I started a couple days ago, so I don't know the results of that, but I started that. So start a keto diet. If you want to start the diet, go ahead and start it. You know, it's not hard to do. It's a real cheap diet. You know, it's a not expensive diet. You gotta buy all organic foods, and all the foods that is not organic. I just go for the no carb, no sugar. I see what's in the ingredients, no high fructose syrup type of diet. Bacon, eggs, hamburgers, some hot dogs, some beef, chicken breast. You know, most of these stuff you don't have to keep looking at. How about organic? Because organic, let me tell you something. Organic foods cost more. It just costs more. So you don't have to look at the organic stuff. Just look at the carbs, sugar. Go for it. So this is Tyrone from TheXKing.com. Thanks for watching.